Well, here I start, or welcome everybody to my channel. And here I start with a Elm blank that I picked up. Just getting it rounded off and balanced out on the lathe here. This elm was very hard, very dry. Tried the bowl gouge, but decided to go back to the carbide. As I said, it was very hard, very dry. Bowl gouge didn't want to cut very well, even though it was just sharpened. I noticed with this hunk of elm it was very grabby with bowl gouge. Very hard piece of wood, didn't want to come off in nice long shavings at all. But here I'm just finishing up the outside design, smoothing it off a bit. I've already created a mortise in the bottom to flip it around. Here I tried, I just got some actually. I don't have any sanding discs that go into my drill, and I tried my orbital on there. And it did help. Very hard wood to try and sand all by hand. Here I'm using some of my homemade sanding paste on it. It is made with beeswax, mineral oil, and diatomaceous earth, all done by weight for volume. So it's about 4 ounces by weight of mineral oil, 4 ounces, or 1 ounce per weight of beeswax, and 1 ounce per weight of diatomaceous earth. And it seems to work pretty well. I make sure I clean it all off as I put the shine juice on over top, and I don't want the beeswax interacting with the shellac and the shine juice. But here I'm at putting the shine juice on. And there. Now we flip it around and start to hollow it out. I'd already removed the waste block tenon and started on this bit. Don't want the video to be too long. It is basically just a basic bowl design I'm doing here. Now, as I said, it didn't like, the bowl gouge didn't like the push cuts on this very much. It seemed to work much better with pull cuts. All depends on the grain of the wood. You'll see later in the video here I do end up getting a bit of a catch in the side. Have to smooth that back out. Stop and have a look at it. Nothing drastic, just that angle. And she got a little grabby. It happens. As I said, this was very hard and dry. It took a while to hollow this bowl out, but it is a fairly hard bowl, small solid bowl type. I think part of the problem with the catch was too is the walls were going quite straight down there, and I didn't get my arm over far enough to get enough of an angle. And that's what happens. Don't get the right angle, you get a catch. Fortunately, it wasn't anything that could not be repaired. Sometimes they'll take a chunk right out of your bowl and you're looking at changing your design. We're getting down to the final cuts now. Doing some smoothing. I think. I do check the depth here, I believe, shortly. See how thick my walls are and see how thick my bottom is. Here it is. Find out that I'm quite a bit in the bottom yet. So it's time to take it down some more. And as I get deeper in, you can see I resorted to my carbide. These straight walls. I don't have to lean over as far. I can push the tool in straighter. I have my lathe on a table, so I have to lean out over the table to make those cuts on the straight wall going straight down. You'll actually get a glimpse of what I look like later in this video, and you'll see that I don't like to lean too far because I have a big belly. Just following doctor's orders. The doctor said I should watch my weight, so I try to keep it all out front where I can see it. Here I'm just doing some smoothing now before we get to the sanding. Here I believe I sanded from 100 right up to 400. Here I've sealed it once already, and I'm adding more shine juice to seal it up more. I like to put 3, 4, sometimes 5 coats of sealer on. And here's where you get to see more of me. I forgot to zoom in on the shots. Get to see how messy my shop is too. And here I'm using some steel wool to give it a final light sanding and adding more shine juice. Bring up the final shine. If you're wondering what that noise is in the background, if you can hear it, it's my old dog going down the stairs into the living room. Had a deer out in the yard today. Looked out the window and a small buck out there. He was wandering around looking for something to eat, I guess. But there's my email address if you're ever wondering about how to contact me, inquire about a purchase or anything. Just contact me at oldguywoodworks@hotmail.com. I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you all again soon.